How to play with friends in Specimen Zero multiplayer. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up the game. Now wait for some time. Now tap on multiplayer. Now enter your name and click on start. Now wait for some time. Now tap on create game. Now tap on watch the video. Now wait for some time to skip the ad. Now once you are done, simply tap on the cross icon. Now tap on create game. Now tap on the room name and now create a room name. Now tap on OK. Now select private or public. Now tap on create. Now wait for some time. Now on your friend's phone, instead of creating a room, simply tap on join room and enter the code of your room. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.